Y'all want to see some funny shit? Tell me you don't see some crazy shit in New York. Tell me this motherfucker ain't pulling a goddamn tree log out of the 116th Street subway station in Midtown Manhattan. It's a goddamn fucking log from a fucking cypress tree. You want to tell me how the fuck you got a log from a cypress tree on the fucking 3 train? How the fuck did he get that shit on the subway train in the first place? I know there ain't no fucking trees down at the subway station. He didn't cut that fucking tree down. This motherfucker is crazy. This is the shit you see in fucking New York City, bro. A fucking tree log. This fucking shit is nuts. Excuse all my swearing, but you can't make this shit up. I've seen it.